What's up, guys? I want to do a quick E30 update. Excuse the noise, I am outside today, but the car's on the street and I've been driving it around a little bit. I'll include a clip right here. So the first main issue was I had to repin the injector harness. Shout out to my friend at the Big Boy Accord on Instagram. He helped me rewire the injector harness because one of the pins fell out and there was a bunch of corrosion. So once we repinned that, she fired right up. There's still a few weird noises. It might need a valve job, but everything else is good. Temps are good with the chase base, filler neck. I'm running a little hot, but that's just because it's just water, not coolant. I think with actual coolant it'd run a lot better. Other than that, we got the Garagistic heavy duty strut bar. Still running our Brom seats and Brom harnesses. I just switched to the Ireland Engineering hub from an Energy hub. I also tested out the Momo hub, which I like, and I like the this Ireland Engineering hub. The only problem is that the blinkers are a lot farther away from the steering wheel, which, I mean, that's an easy fix. But yeah, she runs good. Take her another lap around the block, but I'm very happy, very excited. Hoping to go maybe to a small local meet next week, probably maybe Supercar Sunday. Or, I mean, I still got to get her smogged and everything. But I want to give a massive, massive shout out to all my sponsors, Mishimoto, PurOl, Garagistic, and ECS Tuning, for sticking with me. I know it's been a while since the E30's been running, and it's running now. Hopefully it doesn't do what it did last time, and if I park here for 2 days it won't start again. But so far so good. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.